If you're looking for a really comfortable seat for maybe your gaming room, maybe just hanging out in the lounge room, check out this one from Yoshu. This is a folding chair, but also can lay flat. So you can lay down on it. And, you know, for small kids, they can even sleep on it. So you lift this thing up and it can be like angled if you want to, or maybe up a little bit higher. And then you sit in it and it's very, very comfortable to sit in. It comes all disassembled, but it's really easy to put together. You can do it very quickly, easy to follow instructions as well. And just look at the fabric on it and the stitching. It's really fine, quality made, and it is cushy. Look at how cushy that is. So you could be sitting on this thing for hours playing your video games or whatever, and it's very comfortable. But it's bigger than a lot of the other folding ones that I've seen out there. So we're looking at like next to a sofa right there. That's actually a lot bigger than what you normally see. So it's not just for kids, it's for adults as well. So I love this thing. It makes it so much easier to just sit and relax, especially if there's not an extra seat and everyone's around. I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.